Hello, I'm Jen, and this is your Daily Makeup Minute for October 25th, 2018. The KL Polish Zodiac Bundle is now live on their site. Unfortunately, international shipping is not available, but if you live in the U.S., you can get the full bundle for $99.95, bundles of 6 for $49.95, and single shades are $9.50. What do you think of the color chosen for your sign? LA Girl has a new product alert. Glow and Up Highlighter Jelly is available in 8 beautiful shades coming soon to their site. Tom Ford iQuads Winter 2018 come in 7 new color options for $88 on their site. Looks like LA Splash is cooking up some new lip shades. Jane Iredale Holiday Collection includes the Let's Party Eyeshadow Kit, Dance With Me Refillable Compact, Kiss and Tell Lip Kit, and Butterfly Bag with a nod to warmer times on their site, $20 to $59. And as part of this week's Sephora Weekly Wow, get the Sephora and the Museum of Ice Cream collab for 50% off. Looks like the cute brushes are sold out though. Darn it! That's it for now. We'll see you here same time tomorrow. Look for Makeup Minute Extras on my Instagram. And don't forget our full-length weekly newscast, What's Up in Makeup, every Sunday morning on YouTube.